Congratulations. Is your thoughts on BJ's first game, very impressive?
I found this group a bit later on. I thought the first half started a bit slow, but once he got a feel for the game, he was big. Helped us weather the storm when we were down in the first half. BJ got hot, and we wanted to keep going with it. Obviously, we got him here to score, and I think the players did a good job of finding it, getting his touches, and obviously give credit to him. He made all the big plays for us.
BJ, welcome to the PBA. Your thoughts on getting this win, especially you guys to control the game in the second half?
I think it was a big win for us. I think this conference, all the team was tough, so I think we just went come out strong. We can stay early. The game was tough. They formed the whole game, but they were down, but they made a run. We made a run. I think that was us. We just kind of locked in and
BJ, how does this win gonna carry over into this campaign? It's a double round elimination. What's your thoughts on can this win to set the goal?
We got the win, but I think there are still things we need to work on. I think we need to focus on getting better in practice. And we did some good things as well, so I think our job is just to try to focus on good things, eliminate some of those bad mental lapses that we had, mental mistakes, try to carry on to the next one.
First of all, we have Coach LA's numbers and mayroong beses ko rin ata siya PCC.
Chak ba lang, sabi ko, pagbigyan niya ako, kaka-birthday lang naman niya, masaya na siya lang. Swerte lang siguro, nung one naman, hindi kaya na ako natatalo dito yung team namin, so kahit malayo, so din, sakit na likod ko sa biyahe, pero swerte lang, it's nothing to do with that. I'm sure the second round, mabawi sila sa amin na na maganda ng laro ng team na credit to the players, they all competed and they all did their jobs.
Coach Fred, dalawang big na pera na si Piluan ni Justin Chu at saka si Rizal Bianca.
Well, si Prince Cabral and Tuesdays all of a sudden had to step away from our team for personal reasons. We were short their game. And actually, si Justin, last one, ko siya pinakausap for Phoenix, but we had an 8-court big man one, so I said, it was better off going PNP kung na siya bonus stood kasi nanalo yun and maybe he could play more there. But now that we had a spot for him, I think he was one of my first priorities. Si Rafi naman, I wanted another veteran presence with our team. He's been practicing home plays, he's one of the leaders. I need guys like that kasi I still think we're a relatively young team, so the leadership is something I really value. And I think at this point in his career, he just wants to continue playing it. I'm sure he'll help us sooner or later in the league.
Coach, ano lang yung tingin mo sa grupo nyo? Kasi iba nga group stage to, double round pa, so how do you see the bracket?
Yeah, I think probably, I know there's only two groups, but I think we are in the tougher group. We just saw what Blackwater did today, how good they looked against Rain and Shine. But we have Rain and Shine and Ebra, Menaldo pa ahead of us in Mongolia. Puro mga teams that are always in the top 4 or at least playoffs every time. So it's tough for us, but again, it's part of the PBA. And you have to go through all these teams if you really want to win. So it's a good challenge to see our growth as a team and see where we stand.
That concludes our post-game press conference.